Mythical Makers. I'm Will.
I'm Katie.
And we're from the St. Johns County Public Library System. And thanks for joining us for our summer's kids crafts, which are based off of different mythologies around the world. Make sure to stop into your local library branch because we also have books that talk about the different mythologies that these creatures come from. And I hope you guys enjoy this craft. And this week we're going to be doing constellations. So there's constellations based off of Roman and Greek mythology. There's also constellations based off of astrology. So you get to pick whatever type of constellation you want, or you can make your own.
Today, guys. Don't forget to like and share on Facebook and YouTube.
And if your adult's okay with it, we would love to see your creations shared with us on our Instagram page. And we look forward to seeing you all next time. Have a great day.
Bye.